Hello, good day everyone. I want to show you how to cook my plain rice at home. Okay? Please watch. I have this small rice cooker. So I'm going to cook today 3 cups, small cups rice, 3 cups. Para hindi na ako magluto mamaya ulit. Yun, 3 cups. Then, hugasan natin ng maayos. Hugasan natin ulit. Usually, hinuhugasan ko siya 3 times para makasiguradong malinis ang bigas natin. Kakainin natin bigas. Palit lang yung rice cooker ko. So, pang 3 hugas na siya. Drain lang natin ng maayos, mawala yung water. So, lagyan na natin ng clean water for cooking. Dahil 3 cups, gamitin ko, lagyan ko ng 1:2 ako magluto ng rice kasi itong rice na to medyo may pagkamatigas. Hindi siya malambot na bigas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wala. Ganun na lang. Okay? And after that, nilalagyan ko siya ng konting asin, a pinch of salt, konti lang. Tapos, cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick, ito. Mabango siya sa kanin. Hugasan muna natin. Tapos, ilubog natin dito sa bigas. Yung tubig na ilalagay natin dito, yung regular water lang. Clean regular water. Tapos, tuyuin natin yung puwet ng rice cooker bago natin ilagay doon sa main rice cooker. Ito. Lagay ko dyan. Tapos takpan. And connect to the electricity, and press going down, cook. Like this. Now it start cooking. So it's very easy to cook rice at home using rice cooker. So that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to update my next video. Bye-bye. Happy Monday, everyone. And today is June 1. So, blessed this month. Sana maging okay ang month na to para sa ating lahat. Stay safe, stay home. Kung wala pa tayong mga work, God bless.